In this video, let's learn how to log in to your Wells Fargo account. If you also enrolled for the online banking service of Wells Fargo, in this video, let me show you how you can easily log into it. This is going to be a short and easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video without any further ado. You can also log into your account of Wells Fargo using the mobile app. But for this video, we're going to use the website, so search for wellsfargo.com and you'll land on this interface. Now on the left hand side, you'll see this login page. If you don't see this, you can also click on the sign on button on the top right. But in the most cases, you'll be able to see this login page. Here you just need to type in your username first of all, and then type in the password that you created. If you don't remember either your username or the password that you created, you can click on this link which says forgot username or password. And from here you can recover both of them by typing in your social security or your tax ID number and your username to recover your password. Now once you fill in both of this information, you can also click on the save username option. This way your username will be remembered by this device, and the next time you open up, you don't need to type in your username. Avoid doing this step if you're using a shared device. So once you type in both of this information, click on sign on and you'll be easily logged in to your online banking service of Wells Fargo. If this video was useful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are interested in more daily videos just like this, also be sure to hit that notification bell. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.